Good morning. Happy Thursday. It's now June 11th. Should be wrapping up your assignments for this week, either today or tomorrow. Remember, we had two assignments this week. One was the completion of the Great Paper Airplane Challenge. The other one was on a recent event that occurred last week, which was the launch of a new type of rocket called SpaceX, and that carried two astronauts up to the International Space Station. So both those assignments are open and available. They're both due by Friday. And I guess that's about it for today. It's going to be a little hot and humid today, so please, if you're outside, make sure you wear your sunscreen, drink lots of water, and let's try to wrap up the semester on a strong point. Okay, so if you check School Tool, please note wherever there is a 0 or no grade, and then make sure you circle back to those assignments and get those assignments done. Okay. If you're wondering about any assignments at all, please send me a message. We can do a quick Google meeting if you need some one-on-one support. I can answer you via email if it's a simple question, or the messaging system through Schoology. Either one works for me. Okay, so please reach out if you need extra help, and then we'll get you taken care of as quickly as possible. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.